Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning. All of you are safe and fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Parents ठीक हैं? अच्छा. तो today we will revise uh, some grammar exercises. So, you can see the screen, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is fill in the blanks. 4 options are given, and you have to.
Ma'am, we have to write this in our grammar copy.
You can write it later on when I will send the video. Because
Okay, ma'am.
you cannot do 2 things at one time. No, you have to answer the questions also and write. Or I will send it in the form of a PDF. Or
Okay, ma'am.
so, complete the paragraph choosing the correct option. So 4 options are given. You have to choose the correct option. In your grammar exercises, you will get MCQ questions like this only. This is the new pattern. 40 marks MCQ and 40 marks subjective. That is the pattern of class 9 exam. Okay. So uh, when dash papayas dash our garden. Aditi Kumari. Aditi, can you hear me? Samarth.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Wait, let me see someone who has. Anang Kumar Singh. Anang,
Yes, ma'am.
answer the first question. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay, so options are given. When dash papayas, both and few.
Ma'am, when the papayas in our garden were ripe, grandmother.
Yes, yes, you answered 2 questions. Okay, when the papayas in our garden. Okay.
Ma'am, C का A होगा.
हाँ क्या सी का
Grandmother's. नहीं.
who wanted to answer? Ashish
Yes,
wants.
ma'am.
Okay, so answer the C blank.
Ma'am, grandmother usually sent a basket.
Yes, usually is the correct. No need to write it now. I will send the video or the PDF, then you can write it. So when the papayas in our garden were ripe, grandmother usually sent a basket of them. It these that शायद ये एक टीम. Who will answer? Avnish Pandey, can you hear me?
Ma'am, them.
Can I?
Okay, Harshvardhan, answer.
Ma'am, dad.
Basket of that. नहीं.
Ma'am, them होना चाहिए.
Them.
Basket of
Ma'am,
the.
basket of them to her friend, ma'am, match.
Basket of them. Basket of these. These is more suitable.
Yes, ma'am, these. Ma'am, them will.
These is used for plural. Hmm? This, that for singular, and these and those for plural. So papayas are plural. Basket of these to her friend. Mrs. Ghosh dash the principal. Janvi has raised the hand. Okay, Janvi.
Yes, ma'am. Which was the principal?
No,
मैम who होना चाहिए ना?
wait. Anurag, you have raised your hand.
Ma'am, Mr. Ghosh, who was the principal?
यहाँ who होगा? So because
मैम which to किसी non-living
yes.
thing के लिए use करते हैं?
So which you use for non-living things? The book which you gave me.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? The book which you gave me. The boy who is standing. So with living things you use who, and with, so here Mrs. Ghosh, you have to use who, because it's a living thing. Who was the principal? This is very easy. One answer. Aditi, Aryan Kumar, Aryan Kumar, Aryan, can you hear me? Five. Okay, Tanvi, you answer.
Ma'am, of the nursery school.
Yes, Tanvi, your answer is correct. Principal of the nursery school. On dash occasion. Srija?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, answer.
On this occasion.
On this occasion. Okay. On this occasion. Last one. Manage Henry dash to get into the basket. Henry dash to get into the basket. Okay, Anurag. Anurag hasn't answered today. Henry dash to get into the basket.
Ma'am, manage.
Which one? You tell me the option.
Ma'am, second.
The passage is in the past tense. Abhinay Raj. Abhinay. Aryan Kumar. All the students who join the class and don't respond, I'm noting down their names. Abhinay, Aditi, Samarth. See, all the names is being noted down. Okay, Srija, you answer. Srija?
Yes, ma'am. Option number 1.
You raised your hand. Henry dash to get into the basket.
Ma'am, he managed to get into the basket.
Yes, managed. Okay. Okay, so तो ऑप्शन दिखेगा नहीं. Okay, rearranging you can do. Direct, indirect we haven't done in the class, so rearrange the following to form meaningful sentences. An immediate of energy, bananas are source and prolonged.
May I answer, ma'am?
Srija, you have just answered.
Ma'am, can I?
Someone else. Akansha hasn't answered today. Akansha,
Yes, ma'am.
what happened? Today you are not energetic. हाँ?
मैम
क्या हुआ?
ऐसे ही नहीं बोल रहा मैम। मैम सबको बोलने दे रहा पहले।
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बोलो। बोलते कहाँ है? 7 to 8 students respond. Others, I don't know what they do. What can I do?
मैम थर्ड को बताना है।
फर्स्ट का ये अभी स्टार्ट ही हुआ है, ये रीअरेंज करके। Okay. Screen is visible and immediate of energy bananas are source and prolonged.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Okay, Ashish, answer.
Yes.
Bananas are an immediate and prolonged source of energy.
Yes, Ashish, very good. Bananas are an immediate. So if you eat bananas, you get a lot of energy and for a long period of time. Immediate and prolonged. Source. All of you like bananas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you should include it in your regular diet. Gives you energy. Bananas are an immediate and prolonged source of energy. Who is unmuting the mic unnecessarily? So levels up snacking helps to on bananas keep blood sugar between the meals. This is a bit lengthy, but it's easy. Think and tell me. I'll give you 1-2 minutes
Ma'am.
time.
Ma'am, I can answer.
Ashish, you have just answered. Let us give some other student chance.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Okay, Srija, answer.
Can
Ma'am,
I?
snacking on bananas between the meals helps to keep blood sugar levels up. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
snacking on
may-
bananas between the meals helps to keep blood sugar levels up.
Yes, snacking
On bananas
bananas between the meals
helps to blood sugar levels up.
yes, helps to keep blood sugar levels up. Okay, Akansha, see.
Ma'am, can I? Bananas also help to give up people trying. Bananas also help people to give up smoking. Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, इसमें तो
Can I?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
नया नाम आया था अभी. So, let me see. There was a new. अभिनय राज, अभिषेक कुमार.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Harshvardhan, you haven't answered today.
Ma'am, bananas can also help people smoking.
Bananas can also help.
Bananas can also help people trying to give up smoking.
Yes, Bananas can also help people. Bananas help people trying to give up smoking. Okay, last one.
Can I
Bananas are
Okay,
available in
Prachi,
every
wait,
season.
wait. Hey, Prachi will answer. Prachi,
Bananas are available in every season.
yes, Prachi, your answer is correct. Yes, bananas are available in every season. Okay. So this is a exercise on prepositions. You know preposition?
Yes, ma'am.
On.
Yes, ma'am.
Preposition is a word used after a noun to show its relation with some other thing in a sentence. Mm. The book is on the table. The cat is under the bed. Mm. So those words. He's a good friend and very helpful. You can always rely dash him. You know the meaning of rely?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
To
ma'am.
depend. To depend.
Yes, depend. भरोसा एक तरह से करना. So who will answer? Someone who hasn't answered today. Aditi? Aditi, can you hear me? Aditi? No response. Avnish
Ma'am,
Pandey?
may I?
मैम
हाँ बोलो आकांक्षा.
मैम ये क्वेश्चन में मैम जो ऊपर में चेक आंसर रीसेट ये लिखना है, इसमें से लिखना है.
हाँ यही वाला ये चेक आंसर. नहीं ये क्वेश्चन है चूज द करेक्ट प्रपोजिशन. चूज नहीं है, फिल है एक तरह से, क्योंकि ऑप्शन नहीं दिया हुआ.
मैम अपने से फिल करना है.
हाँ
Ma'am, may I?
यस ओके आंसर.
Ma'am, on. You can always rely on him.
Yes, rely on. So with
Yes, ma'am.
rely you use on. Unmute only when you are answering. Huh? Accommodation was so expensive in Switzerland. I spent all my
मैम may I answer? मैम may I answer? मैम इन होगा. In hotels.
Okay. Okay, mute yourself. So answer only when you are answering. You can confide dash me if you have a personal problem. यहाँ blank है.
मैम
अभिषेक
may I?
और श्रीजा.
मैम may I?
श्रीजा. You can confide dash me if you have a personal problem you need to discuss.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay,
May I?
Harshvardhan.
Ma'am, confide in me. Ma'am, I am answering. Sriza. Ma'am, you can confide in me.
Yes, so confide in. Confide also means to trust someone. It's somewhat a synonym of rely. So you can confide in me if you have a personal problem you need to discuss. Okay. Let me see the participants. Aryan Kumar. Aryan, can you hear me? Aryan? Avnish Pandey? Aryan? Avnish Pandey? Aditi? So the meeting is recorded. So there is proof that I called out these students and they did not respond. He is always boasting dash how good a guitarist he is. Anurag Roy. Anurag.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
Let him think. Okay, Akansha, you answer.
मैम शायद ऑन होगा.
नहीं on.
yes ma'am, on you.
नहीं on नहीं होगा.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I can answer Srija.
Okay, Srija, answer.
Ma'am, he's always boasting about how good a guitarist he is.
No, boasting of. You boast of something. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
My boss has just resigned. I don't think he could cope.
मैम यहाँ पे कहाँ पे fill in the blank. मैम blank कहाँ है?
यहाँ पर blank है और एक word missing था, वो मैंने जोड़ दिया.
Ma'am,
May I answer?
ma'am, can I?
Janvi answer.
मैम
Can I?
मैम may I?
Janvi.
Ma'am, cope over with the pressure.
Cope over नहीं होगा.
Ma'am, may I answer Srija?
Okay, Srija, answer.
Cope up with the pressure.
Yes, cope up with the pressure. The online game is aimed dash teenagers and young adults.
मैम may I?
Okay, Akansha, answer.
Ma'am, may I?
मैम aimed on teenagers and young adults.
No, aimed at. Okay. Prachi, you want to answer the next one? My wife has passed her driving test and has applied. Prachi?
Can I?
Yes, for.
For a license.
Yes, for. Okay, my grandfather suffered dash arthritis.
May I answer?
Okay,
Ma'am, may I answer?
Ashish.
Ma'am, may I?
Ashish.
Ma'am, may I?
I'm suffered from arthritis.
Yes, suffer from. Do you believe, Prachi, you want to answer this one, 10th one?
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
Believe the life after death.
क्या फिर से बोलो?
No, ma'am.
बोलो.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Wait, I haven't
Ma'am,
heard
life
what
after
Prachi said. Someone is
Ma'am, the life
believe.
after death.
यहाँ हमको preposition
believe
करना है.
on.
Ma'am, the article है.
The is an
Ma'am,
article.
do you believe on? Ma'am, do you believe on the life after death?
On
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, may I answer Srija?
Okay, Srija, answer.
Ma'am, in.
Ma'am, in.
Yes, in. So you believe in something, okay? Suffer from something, believe in. I liked English at school, but I was terrible.
In.
Ma'am, in French.
Ma'am, in.
In French. Okay, the careers officer will provide you all the relevant information about the job. इसमें तो भरा हुआ ही है. ओ यहाँ पर एक.
May I answer Srija?
Srija, you have already answered. Wait, let some.
Ma'am, may I answer Akansha?
Okay, Akansha has raised her hand.
Ma'am, can I?
The career officer will provide you about all the relevant. Ma'am, about.
नहीं, about नहीं होगा. जानवी,
Ma'am, with.
yes, with. Provide you with all the relevant information. Last one, I always, last ही है इसका तो. This is the last exercise. I always turn dash my father's for advice. He is like a wise owl.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Ashish.
On.
Ma'am, turn on.
No, ma'am.
Turn on.
Ma'am, I can answer. Srija.
Okay, Srija.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I always turn to my father for advice.
हाँ, turn to. टर्न ऑन भी होता है, लेकिन वो होता है कोई इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंस को हम चलाते हैं तो टर्न ऑन द टीवी. You know the same words can be followed by different prepositions according to. जैसे कि agree with भी होता है, agree to भी होता है. You agree with a person.
ma'am,
बोलो.
under एक preposition है.
हाँ, under preposition. Agree to a proposal. ठीक है ना. तो अगर रहेगा कि I agreed dash my friend. Suppose.
Ma'am, with होगा.
और
With
Yes,
my
ma'am.
friend.
रहेगा, हाँ, क्योंकि पर्सन है. अगर रहेगा यहाँ क्या भरोगे? I agree
To.
dash. हाँ,
Ma'am, to his suggestion.
to his suggestion. So agree is followed by with or to. That depends on what comes after that. So similarly, angry के साथ भी वैसे ही होता है. You are angry with a person, you are angry at someone's behavior. जैसे कि the teacher was angry with him.
Yes, ma'am.
लेकिन अगर फिर ऐसा कुछ है, the teacher was angry at his indiscipline. So you are angry with a person, but you are angry at someone's behavior. Okay, so we will revise some active to passive. Sales representative from all the regions attended the meeting. तो इसमें जो है पूरा नहीं लिखना है, तो बीच का वर्ब पोर्शन लिखना है. यहाँ पर यहाँ डैश है. The meeting dash.
Ma'am, was attended.
Attended. Past tense है, तो past tense में what we use? We use was, were plus V3. So here you will have the meeting was attended. The management will discuss the problem. यहाँ blank.
The problem.
Future what you
Ma'am,
use? बोलो.
ma'am, would
Ma'am,
be
Will be
discussed.
discussed.
Ma'am, would be discussed.
Would
Will
is
Ma'am,
be
the
discussed.
problem.
wait. Let me clear your ये. Will को would में हम direct indirect में change करते हैं. Someone इसका ये mic है. So you change will to would only in indirect speech. Here it is voice. Here you won't change will to would. It is future tense. So in future tense, what you use?
The problem will discussed by the management next week.
Will be discussed. यहाँ will को would नहीं करेंगे.
will be discussed by the management next week.
Yes, it is future tense, and in future you use shall will plus be. Huh? Okay. Then the assistant sent you the invoice last Monday.
Ma'am, was sent.
Was sent. Why? Because it is simple past. Simple past, you use was verb plus V3. Okay. They invited her to explain her reasons for making the change.
She was invited.
He was invited.
Yes,
She
ma'am,
was
she was
invited.
He
So
was
here,
invited
here also it is simple past. So was invited. You can find the
by them. By them.
uh,
She was invited by them for making the changes.
to explain her reasons. Okay, you can find the order form on the last page of the catalog. So
The order
Can be finded.
can be
Can be found.
Can be
found.
found on the last page of the
V3
catalog.
is found, so can be found. Find, found, found. Okay, so you know tense is the backbone of the language. You have to be perfect in your tenses so that you can do all this correctly. So memorize all the three forms. When will the IT guy install the software?
when the software be installed by the IT guy.
Will be
When will the software
When will
be
the software
installed?
installed by the IT guy?
okay. Janvi,
When
repeat your answer. Janvi,
When will the software installed by the IT guy?
when will
When will the software
मैम
be
सॉफ्टवेयर के बाद
installed?
बी होगा.
बी
B
होगा.
मैम
होगा
बी
मैम.
होगा.
बी होगा क्योंकि फ्यूचर टेंस में आप शैल विल के बाद बी लगाते हैं. सो व्हेन विल द सॉफ्टवेयर बी इंस्टॉल्ड? When will the software be installed? Okay. The committee will not announce the decision until next week. So
Ma'am, may
The
I?
decision. Ma'am, may I answer?
okay, Akansha, answer.
The decision will not announced by the committee until next week.
Ma'am, will not be.
You missed one
The
word.
decision will not be announced by the
Yes, ma'am.
committee.
Sorry.
Yes,
Until the next week.
Janvi, your answer is correct. Will not be announced. Okay. Not be announced. My colleague hasn't introduced me to Dr. Young yet.
Ma'am, may I?
May I answer, ma'am?
Okay, Ashish, answer.
Ma'am, I have not been introduced to Dr. Young yet.
Yes, very good. I haven't we used this? Haven't been introduced because with has
By मैम colleague कहाँ गया इसमें?
Ma'am, by my colleague.
मैम वो तो ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है तो उसको छोड़ भी सकते हैं.
you can miss the agent if it is not very important. लेकिन लगा भी देने से ऐसा कोई नुकसान नहीं है, लेकिन कभी कभी जो है आप उसको स्किप भी कर सकते हैं. Haven't been introduced by my colleague to Dr. Young yet. So they expect better results soon.
Better results are
Ma'am,
expected by
better
them.
result.
Better
Are
results-
expected.
Better results are expected by them soon.
expected soon. By them आप skip कर सकते हो, ठीक है ना? You can skip it. Better results are expected soon, or you can write it. This is optional. You can use this paper for any kind of printer.
May I?
Wait,
The paper can,
wait.
ma'am,
Someone,
the paper can be,
रुको रुको. अनुराग आंसर. अनुराग ने हाथ उठाया. चलो अनुराग. यहाँ
This
पढ़ो
paper
line.
can be used for any kind of printer.
Yes, can be used for any kind of. Okay. So all of you are maintaining copies? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you keep your copy updated, and you don't have any prescribed grammar book, so write down all the notes in the grammar copy. Next week in grammar I will start determiners. So you have heard of the word determiners?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So determiners are words that are used before a noun or a pronoun. No, sorry, only a noun. Determiners are words used before a noun, which gives some additional information about the noun. So next week, that is there in your syllabus. So we will start that in the next week.
Okay, ma'am.
And this week is the 5th Sunday, so you won't have any test. This is the 5th Sunday of the month. Okay. So,
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो श्रीजा.
मैम आप एक बार बोली थी कि क्लास में आप सबका कॉपी चेक करिएगा कैमरा ऑन करवा के.
हाँ करेंगे अभी. अगले वीक देंगे कुछ डेट.
Okay, ma'am.
Tuesday, you be ready with your copies. I will send in the WhatsApp group also, so you can just
Okay, ma'am.
turn on the
दोनों copy, grammar और literature.
हाँ, grammar or literature, दोनों. So you can turn on the camera and just you can show your copies. Turn the pages
Okay,
and
ma'am.
just show me, so that I can put the marks, because in CBSE you have separate marks for copy also. So in 9th and 10th, all the marking is done according to the CBSE pattern. So you have marks for copy, then marks for response, class response. Okay, so I'm ending the class. Bye all of you. Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
Good day. When I send this recording or the PDF, then you can write it down in your copy. Okay. Okay.